So if you have any games that are not working, either giving you a black screen or simply hangs, first run a test, press triangle on the game, then test. Here we will see we have a big file and a split file. If you run this game, it will simply not work since PS3 cannot load any games with split files. But if you don't find any split files on a game after a test and it still does not work, we have to enable the BD mirror first. To do that, go back to the game, press triangle, then game settings, then check the BD mirror. This is the most basic fix of all dump games that has no split files but are not working. Now back to our game, if it has a split file, we can either run a PS3 game merger, but you'll need a third-party application to do it and a PC. But I will show you how to merge the games using the PS3 itself. Press start and select on your controller at the same time to enter your PS3 file explorer. Then choose PS3 root, dev HDD0, then games. Here on this folder, we will see the dump games installed on our PS3. Now highlight the game we will merge, press circle, then copy. Now press left on your controller to go back. Go to PS3 ISO. Press circle, then paste as ISO. This will convert the game to ISO, merging it to a single file. Now we'll just have to wait for it to finish. This will definitely take some time depending on the size of the game. After the conversion, you will find two copies of the game. The ISO version is the one with the CD icon on top. You may now delete the other one and let us go ahead and try this one. In case you have also have this copy, if you try to load the dump file with the splitted files, you will be stuck on this part where the dagger will just keep on spinning and won't proceed to this part. So if you encounter this error, just go ahead and convert the game to ISO and run the ISO format or the ISO version.